Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best replacement filter for the Shark Rocket vacuum series. This Colorfullife 6-pack HV300 replacement filters kit is designed specifically to fit perfectly and keep your vacuum running like new. Now, let's talk about what's inside this kit. You get a total of 18 pieces, which includes 6 foam filters, 6 felt filters, and 6 post filters. These components are engineered to replace the original parts in your Shark Rocket vacuum, part number HV300, ensuring that your device maintains optimal performance and filtration. The filters work together to trap dust, dirt, and allergens, helping your home stay clean and your vacuum breathe easy. One of the key things you'll notice with the Colorfullife filters is how well they fit. They are made with precision to match the dimensions of your Shark Rocket model. This means installation is straightforward, and there's no need to worry about loose or ill-fitting filters that could reduce suction or allow dust to escape. The material used is high-quality foam and felt, which offers excellent durability and filtration efficiency. Using these replacement filters regularly can extend the lifespan of your vacuum by preventing buildup inside the motor and improving air quality in your home. The post filters add an additional layer of protection, capturing even finer particles before the air exits the vacuum. The packaging dimensions make it compact and easy to store, and with each filter being reusable, you can wash and dry them carefully to get the most out of your investment. This is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly compared to frequently buying new filters. If you're wondering about compatibility, rest assured this set is designed for a wide range of Shark Rocket models including HV300 series and HV310 series, covering a majority of the popular models. This versatility makes it a great choice if you own more than one Shark Rocket or are looking for a reliable replacement down the line. To summarize, if you want to maintain your Shark Rocket vacuum's performance and air quality, the Colorfullife 6-pack HV300 replacement filters kit offers a complete, well-fitting, and durable solution that won't break the bank. It provides everything you need for an effective filter refresh and keeps your cleaning routine smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, keep your home clean and your gadgets running at their best.